humanity. And also, you can see the animal. She's fierce. She has a beautiful movement quality. It's a great example of the double event. As you can see, everything is connected as one. Animal and human.
Lene! Au batumba mutimue! Sani bonani! Ahe! Dumela mo! Dumela mo lweni! Hey! Irinkin ko! Kana mo ko! Hina! Kana mo ko! Kina! Bala dumela jonga batamba sipala mona! Bala bari! Bala bari! Kabana, King Kawana, Ava Kabana, Boyo Kabana, Sipilabo, Ava Kabana, Boyo Kabana, Hella get it right side, but to my nation, Sibaring, but to another Takasa, right side, Kafuka. Do you understand? Oh, 再见.
Step lively! The sooner we get to the water hole, the sooner we can leave. Simba? Nala? Oh! I'm sorry, I didn't see you all there. I'm looking for two small cubs, Simba and Nala. They're very cheeky, very talkative, boisterous. Have you seen them?
As you can see, the actor costume design represents the sky, and he controls the head, the beak, the eyes, the wings, and everything is connected. You can see the animal, and you can see the humanity and feel the humanity of the character. Thank you very much, Sasu.
Thank you so much, Senor Rodriguez. I'm sorry, though. I must be going. I need to find the cubs. Excuse me, won't you? Thank you so much.
What was that? The weather was peculiar, hey?
Yeah. Looks like the winds are changing.
Change is good.
But it's not easy. I know what I have to do, but it means facing my past. Ow! Jeez, what was that for?
It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Oh, yes. The past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. You see? So, what are you going to do now?
Well, first I'm gonna take that stick.
Hypo, where are you going?
I'm going back.
Ooh, get out of here where that Hey!